Hello, Wickham's UK. You're speaking with Ava, Daniel's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ava. My name's Daniel. I'm looking for a solution. We're missing a lot of calls in our business. Is that something you can help with?
Hello, Daniel. Yes, we can definitely help with that. At Wickham's UK, we specialise in telecom solutions, including AI call handling services that ensure you never miss important calls. I'd be happy to arrange for Daniel to give you a call back to discuss your specific requirements and how we can help solve your missed call problem. May I take down your details?
Yeah, of
First,
course.
could you tell me your company name, please?
Yes, Daniel Wickens Limited.
Thank you, Daniel. And what is the best phone number to reach you on?
01732
Thank you. And could you briefly tell me a bit more about the missed call issues you're experiencing so I can pass that along to Daniel?
Yeah, so obviously we've got a very small team. Generally, it's just me. Obviously, when I'm in client meetings or on other calls, the calls are getting missed and people aren't leaving voicemails. So we're missing opportunities.
Perfect, I understand completely. That's exactly the kind of challenge our AI call handling service is designed to solve. Just to confirm, your name is Daniel from Daniel Wickens Limited. Your phone number is 01732 685 033, and you're calling about missing calls when you're in meetings or on other calls, which is causing you to miss business opportunities. Is that all correct?
That's right. Yeah, spot on.
Thank you. I'll make sure Daniel gets your message and he'll be in touch as soon as possible to discuss how our AI call handling service can help you capture those missed opportunities. Have a great day. Thanks for calling Wickham's UK. Bye for now.
That's great. Thanks, Ava. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye for now.